Well, hello everyone, welcome to Night Vision Show. This is Richard from Scott Country International, and I'm really excited to bring you the new HikMicro Condor spotter. At first glance and first feel, this feels like a real high premium product. I thought the Griffin was a wee bit plasticky when I had it before, but certainly not this model. Feels really robust and well made. Within it, it has a sub 20 millikelvin 640 by 512 ultra high thermal sensor and a laser rangefinder here, which goes up to 1000 meters. The unit itself has a detection range of 2600 meters. Just looking at the product at first glance from front to back, you've got this lens cap here, which goes onto the handle strap at the side and sucks on there magnetically. 50mm lens. It's got your focus wheel here. Moving from front to back, this is your power on off switch. What I did notice when I powered the unit up is how quick it is. There's no more delay, really quick, so that's a good improvement. This button at the front is your laser rangefinder. One long hold on the same button records videos for you. Quick press of the middle button takes you through the colour palettes. One long press takes you into the menu. The back button here is your zoom button. Then we move to the diopter, and you can see that turning there. Now that diopter wheel there is really important to use. A lot of people forget that and just go in the focus wheel. Make sure you get that set for your eye. And then up the back we've got this eye cup which goes round the side of your face. Stops any eye shine at night, so that's going to be good. And at the back you've got your battery compartment, which goes in nice and easy. It comes supplied with 2 batteries and a charger on there. Really easy to get in and out, and I've hardly used this yet. So as I said, tonight I'm going out foxing with it. Really excited to get out with it, as I'm a real lover of the previous Griffin and Falcon models. So I'll put it through its paces tonight and I'll capture some footage for you. I'll certainly see roe deer and I'll certainly see hares, and hopefully I'll see Charlie as well. So catch up with you later. Cheers. So I'm just heading up to the permission now with the new Condor. Something I didn't explain earlier, which I'm really pleased this thing has got, is automatic shut off. So when you get it by the 45-degree angle, it automatically cuts out and doesn't put any light shine in your face, so that's really useful. And an additional feature over the Falcon or the previous Griffin. So I'm just heading up there shortly. Hopefully I'll see old Charlie boy, but hopefully get you some good roe deer footage and hare footage. There's plenty about up at the permission as we don't shoot them. So I'll join you all shortly. Cheers. So just walking onto the farm now, and up to my left through the hedge I spot the first roe deer. I did come back later and get better footage. So next I head down to the duck pond. On the right hand side you can see a good gathering of ducks there. But I did notice some heat sources coming from the left hand side up in the woods. Now I didn't know at this point, but they were roosting pheasants, which is great news. But even better than that, this is where the zoom technology on the HikMicro Condor came into its own. I was able to zoom closely into a bird and clearly identify it as a pheasant, as there was no pixelation on the zoom as I got in closer to identify it. Really clever bit of technology and really useful in the field. So just go round the corner and up the hill, and this is the first hare I see of the evening just running along the top. Looks brilliant, doesn't it? So here's one for you. Big kudos to anyone who can identify what these birds are, bearing in mind we're in Scotland. Okay, so put your comments on Facebook or in the comments section on YouTube, and I'll let you know if you're right. Good luck. So this next bit of video footage I really enjoyed filming. I got up really close to this beautiful hare. Look at the detail that the Condor's picking up. You can see the nick in its left ear there, and the texture on its back. Just incredible. Enjoy. So we've now reached Charlie time. You can see in the laser rangefinder I pick up this fox coming onto our ground right on the far boundary at 358 yards. So I made my way down to try and intercept it. Got a fox just coming in over the boundary at 300 yards. Make my way down and see if I can intercept it. So on the way back to the truck I managed to pick up this beautiful roebuck. What you should notice is the zoom technology on the Condor coming to the fore here is when I zoom in from 2.8 base mag up through 5.6 and the different magnifications, there's no pixelation at all. The defined edges in the roebuck are maintained, and HikMicro should have a pat in the back for this because this is just a different level altogether. So sit back and enjoy the roebuck, and you can even see its antlers. I did see discussion on a HikMicro page where it was commented that you don't get to see the antlers through the Hik products, but you can clearly see the Condor has picked up the roe deer antlers on this beautiful roebuck. Enjoy. So, a really successful night for me tonight. I was using the Thermion 2 XP50 Pro on top of my 243 ticker, and I managed to get that fox as it was just leaving the game crop. I range found it first with a fantastic Condor at over 350 yards. You'll see the footage from that, and I also got some great footage of you up close and personal with a hare, and of course some roe deer and some other footage as well of some rabbits, roosting pheasants, the whole shebang. So really put this through its paces tonight, and I really loved using it. Really good unit, the Condor. So just to finish off with, why don't you come visit us at the Scott Country International demo event on November the 16th in Dumfries. I'll be there. You can try this Condor and all our latest exciting new units. More details are on our Facebook page, or read the link below in the video description for more information. This has been Richard from Scott Country International. I look forward to seeing you all soon. And remember, Condor. Cheers.